Lippert's OneControl system gives users full control of operating multiple components in your RV from one centralized device. Everyone knows that OneControl is the industry leader in smart RV control and monitor systems. With OneControl, the user can operate one-touch automatic leveling systems, awnings, slide-outs, HVAC systems, fans and vents, and more. OneControl is so much more. OneControl can provide real-time notifications and diagnostics to your customers on a variety of issues or failures. Users can also access instructional manuals or videos within the app to help troubleshoot an issue and, hopefully, avoid a phone call to your dealership, which frees your service people up for more serious issues. Also, with OneControl's forced VIN entry feature, this gives your dealership the opportunity to inform your customers when they should schedule service. For example, if you have a list of every VIN you sold in the spring, through OneControl, you can message all of those owners to remind them of your winterizing service. OneControl also allows you to connect to your customers through integrated marketing capabilities. For instance, let's say you're showing a new floor plan at the Tampa Super Show. You can direct market to any owner through VIN identification within any distance range of the show and invite them to check out the new floor plan. Also, let's say you have a customer looking for a used 3700 KLS. You can direct message all 3700 KLS owners about the possible trade-in opportunity. Lippert is continually innovating new products that will work within the OneControl ecosystem. Any owner can customize their RV with off-the-shelf, top-performing products and applications to meet their needs and comfort levels. They can just install their new accessories, and OneControl seamlessly integrates them into the app for them. One app is all they will need. OneControl provides a better RVing and camping experience for your owners through context-driven communication, historical data, and more. Such as winterize your RV today with our checklist. Check out the new features of True Course. Did you know you're prepped for TPMS? Campsite do's and don'ts. Join us at the next Owners Rally. With OneControl, your owners have a complete control center for their RV. Thanks for watching.